Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about my regular oiling routine. This is my actual oiling routine I used to follow daily. So this is the way I used to plait my hair at the night time. So for the oiling step, I am dividing my hair into two parts, and I have taken my comb. So first step I am removing the tangles of my hair in both the parts. Okay, so this is a oiling routine which I follow after the day which I do shampoo for my hair. So as of now, you can able to see no hair in the comb. So I am dividing my hair into four parts. So in each of the part I am going to apply oil separately. So as of now there is no oil in my hair, so I am applying parachute oil, which is my regular routine of my hair oil. So take some quantity of oil, and I am going to apply oil starting from the top of my hair, mainly into the scalp. So scalp, you should apply proper oil which give nourishment to your hair. So you can able to see my previous video of my hair care routine. So in that I have shared many of the tips actually. So here I am showing you how I apply oil to my hair in my daily routine. So this is actually heavy oiling process which I do after my hair wash. So daily I used to apply quite quantity of oil to my hair. So here after my hair wash, so in this way I used to massage my hair, properly applying oil to all the areas properly, starting from the scalp to the root. So I am applying oil to the entire portion of my hair until the tip of my hair. So do a proper massage to your hair so that oil will be equally applied to entire part of your portion. So please, I have skipped many of the parts because you people will be bored if I show the entire process what I am doing actually. So in this way you have to apply oil to your hair and properly do massage to your scalp. So little more oil I am applying at the top portion of my hair. To my scalp I am applying with the fingers, properly pressing down inside in part of my hair. So regularly do massage to your scalp so that the oil will be absorbed properly to all the portion of the hair. Then like this way you have to apply the oil to all the part of the hair. So keep on applying. So this is actually a lengthy process. I have reduced the content actually. So like this way I used to apply at the ends also. So it takes some more time for me to apply oil to the entire part of my hair. So then I told you to all the four parts I apply oil in this way. So you could able to see here, just I press the oil to the inner portion of my hair, to the scalp. So this heavy oiling process that I will do after the day of my hair wash and before doing my hair wash. Apart from these days, I used to not do heavy oiling like this. Just some oil I used to apply for my hair. So that is what the secret I told you in the previous video also. What actually is my daily routine. I used to apply oil for my hair. Then after completing the front portion, I am applying oil to the back part of my hair. So that is also most important for you. Similarly in the back side also I am doing the proper massage to the scalp portion. So after completing to one part of my hair, so I am continuing the same process to the other part also. So the same thing which I applied in the scalp, at the back side, everything I am continuing for both the part of my hair. So this is what the basic step I used to follow for the heavy oiling method. Then after completing in both the part, so I am done with the front portion of the hair. Then next step you should do at the back side of your hair. So for that I am pulling out the entire part of my hair to the front portion. So like in this way you have to apply oil at the back portion as well as to the entire length of my hair. So back portion also you have to do the massage properly and towards the end of the hair, so that now you could able to see the more efficiently oil has been applied to the entire part of my hair. So I have completed the process. So once again what I am doing is I am just removing the tangles. So somewhat the tangles will be obviously it will be less. So since my hair is having quite amount of oil, so after now you could able to see just only one hair in my comb. So this is what my hair fall, what you could able to see. So after completing my oil, just I could plot my hair since I am staying at home only. So just this is my simple routine. So just plot my hair. So that's it guys. Thank you everyone. Subscribe my channel. Meet you all in another video. Bye.